Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting to a Wi-Fi network on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Network. Select Set up Internet Connection. Select Wi-Fi, then select Easy. Find your Wi-Fi network from the list and select it. If there is a code for your Wi-Fi, enter it here to continue and connect. Your PS4 is now connected to a new Wi-Fi network. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.